Hi, this is Katura with BlueNotary, and today we're going to be looking at our templates and pre-tagging templates in our Business Pro account. So here in our homepage, we're going to go to Templates. We're going to choose one of our templates that we use a lot, and we want to have the fields already pre-tagged every time we do a notarization with this document. So here I'm going to go to this last will and testament and go to pre-tag fields. So on this last will and testament, the signature portions are always going to be the same people, the testator and the witnesses. So I want to scroll down to a place where I can find a signature that is always going to be the same. So here I have a signature for the testator. So what I'm going to do is drag over a signature here, and I'm going to put the primary signer's signature. And if I scroll down even further, I can have my witnesses in the same place every time. So I'm going to drag a signature here, put an additional signer for this. This is going to be witness number 1. I can drag more signatures over, additional signer 2. These are going to be my witnesses every time I have a signing with this last will and testament document. So I hope that helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.